Okay, as we gear up for our first concept check, you're going to have to occasionally type in different angles with Greek letters, square roots, things like that. You've maybe done that before in Connexus, but I just like to practice. Let's just see how to do it, make sure. So we put things in, it's just a little more easier so we've got consistency. So here are the symbols you're going to put in for this first practice. Sine theta, cosine theta, tangent theta equals these ratios. And so let me just review how to put those in. And so just click down in the box where you'll type, and this guy right here, it looks like the y-th root of x. And that's how you go insert equations. And so click on that, bring it up, and then you can begin typing. And so we've got sine, and if you go to insert symbol, you can either type theta or actually just go here to insert symbol, and you'll see all these different symbols. You use a lot of these. And so here's a bunch of Greek letters, okay? So we've got alphas and betas and gammas. There's a delta. And so let's find theta. And so it's right here. So sine theta, again, notice it shows up that way, but down below is how it's actually going to show up when you're done typing. So we want equals, and then you can just do that from your keyboard. So equals, what do we got? 3 divided by square root of 13. So square root symbol's right here. You don't need to use this one unless you've got like a cube root or something like that. So just use this guy right here, and it'll come up and say SQRT for square root, and then just type the number. So notice down below that looks exactly like we had it. Now if we had more stuff under the radical, then I would just use a parenthesis here. So if I needed like 13 minus x under the radical or something, then that's how you would get it to do that, okay? So let me just go wipe that out. All we've got is a number here. And then just click OK. And notice there it is. Hey, it matches. Okay, now these other ones are going to be very similar, but I'll just do them real quick. So cosine, again, if you insert symbol, just find the theta, and of course equals, and what do we got? -2 divide, and square root of 13 again. Again, it looks kind of weird here, but if you look down below, it'll show you what it's actually going to show up as. That's what we want. So notice, matches, and then of course tangent, pretty straightforward here. Let me go ahead and go down below, just give myself enough space. And you can separate these with commas or whatever you want, as long as I can see them. Okay, the big thing, I just want you to feel comfortable typing these things in. So, whoops, how about tangent of theta equals -3/2, and it'll automatically put that negative out front, which is kind of nice. So, okay, there you go, not too bad.